Hello, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are good. So, let's begin our second chapter, that is our wonderful body. So, do you know that there are so many parts in our body, but we cannot see all the parts of our body. We can see few parts of our body. So, today we are going to talk about them. So, all of you know that our body works like a machine. It runs 24 hours. There are so many different parts of the body, such as head, eyes, ears, tongue, hands and legs, that we can see and that are helping us to do different things, that are helping to do various tasks. So, now we are going to talk about that parts that we cannot see, like the brain, heart, lungs and stomach. They are inside our body, so we cannot see these parts of our body. So, firstly, talk about heart. The heart is one of the most important organ of our body. Take your left hand and keep it on the left side of your chest. Can you feel something? Yes, you can feel your heartbeat. This is your heart beating. So, it pumps blood to all the parts of our body. The heart is helping our body to reach the blood. When the heart beats, it creates a sound like lub dub lub dub. Okay, have you seen the stethoscope? I know that all of you have seen the stethoscope that doctors all are carrying all the time with them. A doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to our heartbeat that we can feel. So, now let's talk about lungs. Firstly, see the pictures. There are two lungs, left and right. So, it lies in the chest with our heart. What is the use of lung? It is used to breathe. We breathe through our lungs. Helps us to breathe. Lungs helps us to breathe. Now talk about our stomach. First, see the picture. It looks like a bag. What we eat, that goes into our stomach. What we eat, that is collected inside our stomach. It helps us to digest the food. When we eat something, then we feel like our stomach is. Let's talk about brain. The brain controls our whole body. It controls all the part of our body. It helps us to think and it helps us to do our work. Do you know where is brain? Our head protects the brain. Our brain is inside our head. Now talk about bones and muscles. So, do you know what are the bones and what are the muscles? Take your left hand and touch your right hand using the left hand. Can you feel something? The hardest part is bone and the soft part is muscle. So there are 206 bones in our body and 600 muscles in our body. So bones and muscles together give shape and support to the body. The outermost part of our body is skin that covers the bones and muscles in our body. It is the outer part of our body that we can see. So, muscles and bones work together. Look at the picture here, you can see what are the bones and what are the muscles. The muscles are fixed to the bones. It helps us in the movement. The muscles are fixed to the bones and muscles make the bones to move. Muscles and bones helps us to do many jobs like lifting of bag, throwing of a ball, like swimming, running, hopping, jumping, skipping, moving, and paddle your bicycle. And it helps us to move. Means all the movements are through the muscles and bones. So now we are going to talk about the posture. Posture is the position in which we sit or stand and walk. So look at the picture. Here two boys are sitting. The first one is sitting in the correct posture and the second one is sitting in the wrong posture. So you have to sit like the first boy on the blue chair. He is sitting with the correct posture. We must walk upright, straight in the correct posture. A correct posture makes you look smart and it protects our backbone. So always sit in a correct posture.